Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Piping, Welding, NDT. So, search mo lang guys yan, Piping, Welding, NDT. Makikita mo doon lahat ng aking video about piping, welding, at meron din akong NDT. So, mga simpleng informasyon lang guys. So, last week, we talk about fractional distillation, okay? So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys yung mga um, piping materials, piping identification. Like for example, we have carbon steel. So what is the ASME specification for this carbon steel, and what is the color coding for this carbon steel. So pag nakita mo guys yung kulay na yon, malalaman mo na kung anong materialis yung tuba na yon. Okay? And we have also stainless steel. Also, what is the materials, what is the ASTM specification, and what is the color coding. Okay guys, so tara na, pag-usapan na natin yan. So this is the identification marks, colors for piping materials. Okay guys, we have materials, ASTM specification, identification mark, discrimination color, equal JS materials, and paint marker color. Okay, so our materials are carbon steel, alkyl carbon steel, 1/2 molybdenum, 1 chrome, 1 and 1/4 chrome, 1/2 molybdenum, 2 and 1/4 chrome, 1/2 molybdenum. Next materials are 5 chrome, 1 and 12 molybdenum, 9 chrome, 1 molybdenum, 18 chrome, 8 nickel, 18 chrome, 8 nickel H, 16 Cr, 12 nickel, 12 molybdenum, 8 chrome, 10 nickel, and titanium, 8 chrome, 10 nickel, and Ti, 18 chrome, 10 Ni, and Ti, 22 chrome, 5 nickel, 3 molybdenum, 22 chrome, 42 nickel, and 3 molybdenum. So let's start to materials carbon steel. So this is the ASTM ASME specification. So if you see this specification in the pipe, okay, this is a stencil on the pipe. If you see this ASTM specification, okay, it means the pipe is carbon steel. Okay, let's start to the A106 grade B, A106 grade B. So all this one is A106. We have a grade C also, A516, grade 60. Okay, grade 65, grade 70, and grade B ARW, A53 grade B seamless. We have also A672 grade B60, CL21 to 22. Okay, all A672, and we have API 5L grade B. So this is all carbon steel. Okay, A234 grade WPB. So we have a carbon steel pipe here, and also the carbon fittings. So our carbon fittings here is this one, A234 grade WPB. So this is our all of fittings. Okay, so if you see this specification, ASME specification, it means this is a carbon steel for the fittings. And this is for the pipe A106. So this is for the high pressure and high temperature fluid. Okay, for this we are using for this refineries A106. Okay, so this is for the carbon steel. So next naman nating materials is alkyd carbon steel, and this is the ASTM specification 83 grade 6 resist steel. So seamless A671 C660, A671 C60, and 420 grade WPL6. So this is our alkyd carbon steel. Okay, so what is alkyd carbon steel? So this is are defined as those which are truly deoxidized during melting process. Okay, the oxidation is accomplished by use of silicon, manganese, and aluminum, addition to combine with dissolved gases, usually oxygen, during steel making. So this is the alkyd carbon steel. So if you see this specification for the ASTM, so it means this is the alkyd carbon steel. Okay. So next materials guys is alloy steel. So we have a one half MO, one chrome, and 1 and 1/4 chrome, and 1 half MO, coy molybdenum. So this is our ASTM specification for this 1 half MO, 1 chrome. So A387 grade 12 P1 P12 1CR, A691 CR, and CL21, and A234 grade WP12 CL1. Okay, so this is our specification for these materials. Next materials is alloy steel, 1 and 1/4 chrome, and 1 half MO. So we have a P11, 835 P11. Okay, so this is our alloy steel. A691. Okay, so this is specification for this alloy steel, 1 and 1/4 chrome and 1 half MO. A234, so WP11. So this is the fittings. Okay guys, so next materials is, so this is our next materials, 5 chrome 1 half MO and 9 chrome 1 MO. So please take note all these specification, ASME specification for these materials. Okay, please take note all this. So if you see this specification for the 5, so it means this is our materials. Okay, alloy steel. Okay guys, next is, so if you see these materials, we have a nickel now, so it means this is stainless steel. Okay, 18 chrome, 8 nickel. So this is ASME materials specification, I mean A312. So this 304 is stainless steel. Okay, 304, so this is stainless steel. We have also this materials, 18 chrome 8 NiH. So this is the specification for these materials. These materials next is 16 CR, 12 Ni, and 2 MO, and this is the specification for this material. So please take note all these guys. Okay, so next materials is this one, HCR 10 Ni and Ti. So this is the specification for these materials. Next is HCR. This is the same, and this is the specification. Okay, and 18 CR 10 Ni. Also this is the specification for these materials. 22 CR 5 Ni, 3 MO, and this is the specification for these materials, UNS. Okay, so please take note all these guys. So let's talk about the color for the pipe. So this is the color coding of the carbon steel. Okay, So please take note all these colors. So this is our specification ASME, and this is identification mark prepared. So if you see this strike in the pipe, this color, it means this is the ASME specification. Okay, means this is carbon steel. Purple, orange, this is A106. Utility, orange, blue. Okay, A106 grade C. So this is how to read this column for this piping materials. For example, this is A672 grade C60CL22 HIC resist steel. So this is the preferred mark, and this is the color. Okay, color blue. Okay, so this is for the ASME. So this is how to read the color coding for these materials and ASME specification. Next is color coding for the alkyled carbon steel, and this is the color coding for this specification of alkyled carbon steel. So all blue, right? They have some brown. Okay. So this is the color coding for this alkyled carbon steel, blue, all blue. So next materials is 1/2 MO, 1 chrome, and this is all color coding for this alloy. Okay, yellow, green. Next is for alloy steel P11 orange. Okay, I35 P11. So this is all green for this P11 HIC resist steel, all green. Okay, for these materials, all this one is color coding for according to the ASME. Okay guys, next materials. So this is the next materials, 5 chrome, 1 and 12 MO. So this is the color coding. Okay, and next materials, 9 chrome, this is P9 and 1 MO. Okay, P9 silver, wet S2S. So this is silver orange. This is a combination of the color. Okay, next materials is 18 chrome. So this is the stainless steel. This is the strike for the pipe, orange. Stainless steel 304s. So next is 316. This is brown. Okay, 8 chrome, 8240, 321 seamless. It's red. So this is the color coding for this material. So next materials. So this 8 chrome to 10 Ni with Ti. So all color coding is red. Okay. Thanks for watching guys, and please like and share my video and leave a comment. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless.